Hey guys, it's about 9:23 in the morning right now. And since I kind of not had a rough day yesterday, but yesterday was just a lot, I'm going to take it easy and I'm just going to wheel around my living room and get my watch in that way. And I'm hoping to finish this House of Gucci book today because I really just want it to be done. It's like 14 hours. It's so long, it's crazy. I have about 2 hours left, so we'll see where I am throughout the day. I'm gonna update you guys. And yes, I'm wearing my head towel thing that my sister got me for Christmas. It's honestly the best thing ever. I love it so much. Good morning, I did get my ring done. Happy Thursday. Exciting times in my life, guys. I just booked my nail appointment for the 7th of February. And I'm super excited because I found these nails that are really like Valentine's Day-ish, but really simple. I don't know. It's cute. They're cute. And now it's time to watch The Price is Right. So they gave away a car earlier, but now they're giving away a boat and a trip to New York City. That's not exciting because what if you're from New York? Oh my God. Anyway. Hey everyone, we're supposed to get some snow this weekend. They went from calling it a snow lover's dream or whatever to now it's a nor'easter. So everyone in all the areas that get snow, stay safe. Sweet Magnolias comes out on season 2. Comes out on February 4th, so I was trying to wait a week before the new season to watch the old season because I want it to be as fresh as possible. So like 7 days exactly would be tomorrow, but I'm like, do I wait to watch it during the snowstorm? But then like if we lose power or something, which normally we never do, but like, you never know. So I think I might start it tomorrow and then watch it over the weekend, Yeah, because as you guys know, I'm not like a puzzle person or anything like that, so it's not like I'll be doing any of that, but tomorrow I should also be actually today, my goal is to finish that House of Gucci book and then film the review tomorrow. So at least some sort of video will be up this weekend. Anyway, be safe. I don't know. I like the snow when it's falling because it looks pretty and like, you can watch those Hallmark movies, but like, I don't like driving in. Well, I mean, I don't drive, but I don't like being a passenger in it because actually, it's not funny, but actually, when I was in elementary school, my bus got stuck a time or two on the road because of the weather and stuff. So that's not fun. And I'm going to see what's on Hallmark right now. Actually, it's called Love to the Rescue, and there's only an hour and 27 minutes left, so I think I jumped in at a good time. We'll see. So, tacos for lunch, and I'm actually watching Queer Eye because I'm on season 4, and I really want to get caught up to the new season 6, so I got some time to go. It is 1:30, and it's like 4 degrees outside today, but there's like a nice little sunspot over there, so I'm going to sit over there and finish this House of Gucci book because I have the House of Gucci, like the name brand Gucci, because I'm like 83% done or something. I'm super close to being done, and I have 4 days left on my loan from the library, so we will see. Take 2 of trying to read my book because my brother FaceTimed me with my niece, so didn't actually get any reading done. So now I'm gonna go sit in the sunny spot over there and read my book. Hey guys, it is exactly 4 o'clock on the dot. And I just finished the House of Gucci book. So I probably won't. Oh, they named the Winter Storm. It's called Winter Storm Bobby. Interesting. Anyway, sidetrack. I finally finished the book, so that was good. And then I I stopped in the middle of reading that to chat with a friend, but then I just got done. So my review is honestly probably going to be filmed first thing tomorrow morning, because honestly, I don't really like to film like in the after, like, not that I'm tired, like, not that I've done anything to be tired except just like live my normal life, but I'm more of like a morning person, you know? So I would just rather film in the morning. And the book has a lot of detail in it, but there's it's gonna be a quick review, more like my personal opinion rather than like what's actually in the book, you know? Or anyway, you get it, whatever. It's not a big deal. It's not like I'm the reader of the world and like I affect book sales or anything. So I don't know, but depending on the winds, like we could possibly maybe see a blizzard. I don't even know. These weather people, sometimes they get it right, and then sometimes they get it wrong. So, like, I don't know what to believe. And then, like, even, like, the local weather, like, they use, like, different maps, because they all, like, claim to be, like, the number one in the state. So, whatever. Anyway, but it's just different. So, who knows? But anyway, so, yeah, there's going to be a snowstorm. But it's all good, because I'm going to film tomorrow. So at least if I can't get my video up on Sunday, then at least there's something, you know? But yeah. So that's that. Book number 9 of the year is done. And that's my last book of January as well. So I plan to download more book. I can download 4 more books from Hoopla for the month of February, because I plan to do that, because that's like a book a week, so that's fine. And hold on, let me check one other thing. So I was just looking on Libby for 20 minutes because I wanted to see how many books you can have at one time. And I believe it's 5. And you can have a hold of 10 books at one time. So, like, basically you're put on a waiting list for that book. But most of the time I use Hoopla for my reading audiobooks, because they have, like, I don't know if they have more of a selection or like a different selection, because I'm signed in with the same library card, but they just seem to have more of the books that I want to read, or if like somebody recommends a book, like it seems to pop up there more than it does Libby. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so but what I was saying is I probably won't be using Libby for a little while, because my next hold for a book that I have isn't for like another 6 or 7 weeks or something like that. So we'll see. Lots of time to be making YouTube content, so that's good. Is anybody currently reading anything? I would love to know what you're reading, because maybe we're into the same thing and I could check it out too. See, even you can see it now. I was trying to pick a thumbnail for this video. You see how there's like such a glare? Like, let me know if you could see it too, or if I'm the only one who could see it. You see how there's such a glare in my glasses? What the heck? Did she forget to put the glare thing? Like, it doesn't bother me because, like, obviously I don't drive, so like the reflection at night off the cars and stuff is not a big deal. But like, you could see the window. I don't know. So weird, right? I could have sworn on my paper it said that they put the anti-glare too. But maybe this isn't glare. I don't know. What the heck? Hopefully you guys see it too and I'm not just crazy. But anyway, the point of me getting on here is today is my sister's birthday. So I want to wish a very happy birthday to my sister, Katie. I love you very much. And I hope your day is magical. And I hope it was good. And with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.